Okay, going to kick off a little integration with Google Charts on Oracle Apex, and it's going to be part of this K2 framework that I'm using to build all my applications on. I have a proof of concept I kind of want to work on in the next month or so, at least get started on it, and I'm going to need to do some visualization of my data. There are some tools out there I could use, but I really like the look of Google Charts. I like the way I need really high density chart data, a lot of charts, hundreds on a page. I really like the way these looked. I've used them in the past. So let's get started. Just looking at this example, basically what I want to do just to start simple is, how do I basically generate all this on the back end dynamically and return it to a page? So that's what we want to do. So we go into K2 under lib and create Google Charts, and then we create our package, an install file, and a test file. And install is going to run this and test. So far I've got start script and get script, return clob, and global lob is clob, and basically anytime you call start, it's going to get wiped out. And then when you call end, it's going to finish it. And then you call get, it'll return it. And there's all kinds of improvements we could make to this, right? So like if you call start without calling end, it throws an error, so that you can monitor the state there. If we call end twice, throw an error, you haven't called start. If we call get, but we haven't called end, throw an error, all kinds of stuff. We're not going to worry about any of that. That would be overkill at this point. But you should know and have some ideas of, there's a lot of improvements to be made, but probably this is not the code we're going to be looking at, maybe even a few hours from now as we head down this road. So we want to get a tight feedback loop. And so as we're running this, we can come in here and run this hopefully multiple times. Should always work and do its thing. And idempotent, right? So we are getting what we expect back. Great. This is all working. And I can begin to break this problem down a little more. And hopefully you'll see this code maybe next week as part of K2 doing something. We're going to start with line charts, going to keep it super simple. And I'll provide a couple updates through the day. If you want to follow along, just follow me on Twitter or subscribe to my YouTube channel. These will be unlisted because I don't want to clutter up all the stuff. I'll eventually put them in a I'll put them in a playlist that's unlisted too, and post that or something if you want to come back and just see what I did. If you're interested in seeing what I did to kind of code up Google Charts into my K2 framework. All right, thanks.